Hello and welcome to Blockchain Fundamental Series. In this lecture, we will be discussing Bitcoin versus blockchain. The reason we are going to talk about this is that we need to create common language across business and technology about this issue we are going to solve. The first thing that we need to understand are two basic terms, Bitcoin and blockchain. These two are two separate things. Bitcoin is a digital coin, it's money which is digital. Blockchain is a technology that enables moving digital coins or assets from one individual to another individual. So it's very important to understand that Bitcoin is not a blockchain. Blockchain is an operating system and Bitcoin is one of the many applications. Bitcoin is a digital currency launched in 2009. Bitcoin simplifies online transaction. There is no government control of currency. It stores and transacts currency over a peer-to-peer network that is called blockchain. It transacted over an open, public and anonymous blockchain network. Blockchain is a technology that enables moving digital coin and assets. So after we understood the basic terms of Bitcoin and blockchain, it's time to go into the problem a blockchain attempts to solve, and the problem is money transfer. I am going to explain it at the conceptual level at the same for Bitcoin. So today, if a person A wants to move money or transfer money to a person B, let's say from US to India, this is typically done using a third trusted party, and it is typically works as follows. So whenever a person A start transferring the money to person B, it will send a request to the bank. So the first process is initiation request. Once the request is initiated, then the money will be transferred to the receiving bank. Once the receiving bank get the money from the initiator, it will then transfer money to the receiver's bank. So this process will take some amount of time. So it is time consuming. And at last, once the receiving bank receive the fund, it will finally move the fund to the receiver's account. So the whole process will take somewhere around 3 to 4 days. So the first problem is it is time consuming. Second, there is a third party called bank. It is involved in this process. And fourth, it will charge some amount of money to the person. So it is a little bit of costly for transferring the money. So if we think in terms of the blockchain transfer money without trusted entity. There will not be any bank or third party involved in this. Second, it will transfer money immediately. So within a span of 1 or 2 hours, the money will be transferred to the receiver's account. In contrast to the current bank process where it takes 3 to 4 days. And the last, cheaper transaction fee. So the person has to pay very minimal fee compared to the person doing the transfer using the bank. So this is all about the Bitcoin and blockchain. If you want to know more about the blockchain, or if you want to learn the advanced concept of the blockchain, please refer the Udemy URL given in the description section. If you found this video interesting, consider getting subscribed. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.